What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Broken Yokes and Tire Smoke. Today, I'm gonna fucking show you how to make a burnout pad in your backyard. Cause sometimes you just want to go out, fucking melt the rubber clean off the old shit box, but you just know it's gonna fucking blow to pieces, and you won't get it home before Johnny Law shows up and fucking busts your ass, and that's just a bad day. So, I'm going to show you in a couple simple steps how to build a burnout pad in your backyard for fucking near free. Here's what you're going to need to make this happen. Number one, location. Pick a really nice spot. Not too nice though, because the wife might get mad. So I come back to my old parts store here, This is where I go shopping. Because, well, there's nothing for fucking hours. But anyways, number two, you're going to need some heavy digging equipment. Yeah! That ought to do the trick. Third thing you're going to need, this is where you're going to have to go and spend the big dollars. Go onto like Facebook Marketplace, you're probably going to have to spend, $7. Go get some cinder blocks. Now you can get the big ones, but if you do, I suggest pack them full of dirt. But I had some of these in the backyard, so I trust them. I'm just going to dig a hole that deep, bury them in flush, and yeah, melt some fucking tires. You got your hole dug. You're going to bury them so they're nice and level. That way, you come by with a mower and stuff, you can just mow right over them. And they kind of just blend in, right? So now we'll just sweep them off, and seeing as this piece of shit's the only thing with a good enough battery and enough brakes to hold it, I think we'll do a test burnout with it. If this works out good, we'll melt the fucking tires right off the Lincoln next. But for you guys to see that, you're gonna have to like this video. That'll show me that you want to see it, and then subscribe, so when I do put up a video, you'll know. But yeah, let's get this turd onto the burnout pad. Well, got the piece of shit onto the burnout pad here. Now, I'm really hoping I won't have to do it with this thing, but that 350 is just played right out, so might have to add some ATF or oil or something to the tires. Comment down below weird shit to put on the tires, like for pink smoke, put bleach on your tires, or something like that. Let me know. We'll try different shit. I'll burn off every fucking shitty tire in the yard. You guys give me ideas on how. But let's do a mini burnout with this thing. This one's for you, Greta. To go too hard. It is the daily, and well, I'll show you the tires that are on it to begin with. Here's the good ones, and well, as you can see, burnout pad works minty. Apparently I didn't make it wide enough, even though I did some precise measuring. But yeah, if you guys want to see more shit like this, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, give the video a like, comment down below if you liked it or if you hated it, or whatever. You want to see more? You want to see less? You want to see something different? Let me know. But anyways, you guys, have a good one.